Okay, good morning, everybody. So, time for today's homework check. So, yesterday I asked you to have a look at the converting measures page and do question 1 to 6. Now, this homework video is just going to be really quick and short because there's not really much explanation because it's core calculation. Like we discussed before half term, converting measures is just something that you need to know. So, you need to know that there are 1,000 millilitres in 1 litre. You just need to know those things, and you need to memorize those things. So there's not really any working out that I can explain other than you work out how many are equivalent. So like I said, we know that there are 1,000 millilitres per litre. So all I do is take my litres and I times that by 1,000. So that would give me 2,390. Similarly, if we look at the kilometre one, because we know that there are metres are smaller than kilometres, we're going to be dividing it, which is how we get a decimal. So we're just using those key concepts of timesing and dividing by 10, 100 and 1,000, working out the equivalent, so how many grams are in a kilogram, and then dividing or timesing the number that we've got by that much. So that being said, I've got the answers on the screen for you. So 640 centimetres is the same as 6.4 metres. 2.39 litres is 2,390 millilitres. 0.6 kilograms, 600 grams. 1,460 grams, 1.46 kilograms. 2,840 kilometres, 2.84 metres, 1.3 metres is 130 centimetres. So hopefully you managed to get all 6 of those right. If you are not 100% confident, then today at some point I would maybe recap. You can go back and find the converting measures lessons on our YouTube channel. They're all still there. Or just have a quick research or ask somebody at home and come up with a way of memorising how many there are. So how many centimetres there are in a metre, how many grams there are in a kilogram, because you just need to know that conversion and then you can multiply it by however many you have got to work out the answer. But that's something that you need to know, and there's no quick trick to remembering it. It's just something that you need to get into your brains to remember it to help you with converting measures. So that being said, for tomorrow, I would like you to carry on with this. I would like you to do the next 6 questions. So questions 7 to 12. So again, if you're one of those people that isn't too sure about it, the different measurements, then spend some time looking them up, asking someone at home, and getting those memorized in your brain so that you can apply it to tomorrow's homework. So questions 7 to 12, check back in tomorrow to check your answers and see what we're going to do next.